Welcome to 1011 Beatty Road, Unit A5. This is a 1-bedroom, 1 full bath, 2nd-story apartment home in the St. Andrews area of Northwest Columbia. It's convenient to I-20 as well as I-26. Quick commute to downtown Columbia, Riverbanks Zoo, and the Harbison area as well. So we're inside the main living room. We have a common area, some hallway off just as you enter. There's common area parking outside, but you can see right off of the front door there, entryway, you have a nice sized living room. There's a closet here as you enter as well, nice sized coat closet. But you can see the living room is open to the kitchen and dining area as well. So you have a bar counter on the countertop in the kitchen. The galley style kitchen itself has an included refrigerator, electric stove, built-in microwave, as well as a dishwasher. And then on this end, you can see there is a full-size laundry room. So looks like you have space for a, looks like a stackable washer and dryer in that current configuration, but you can probably do something else if you maybe separate the machines. But a good amount of space in there and some storage capacity on the shelf above. And then you have your 1-bedroom, which is a nice size. You have windows out to the front off of this bedroom and that living room as well. And then a nice sized closet here behind the door. And then last but not least, your full bathroom. So you have a single vanity in here, shower tub on this side that's tiled. And of course, you have most likely been noticing that there are luxury vinyl plank floors updated nicely throughout the entire space, as well as nice neutral paint colors as well. So this concludes our tour of this home, 1011 Beatty Road, Unit A5. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.